So most businesses lose money on Google AdWords slowly, but this one lost around $70,000 in a single month. He had 500,000 clicks, but not one converted into a sale. Sounds unbelievable, right? But that's exactly what happened to a national auto parts distributor. The owner opened his credit card statement and realized Google just ran a fundraiser using his bank account. And what did Google deliver in return? Traffic distributed almost everywhere, but zero revenue in return. So here is a real question. So how does an auto parts distributor burn through 70 grand and get nothing in return? And then how does the exact same account earn almost $250,000 in revenue with almost 10 times the ROAS? This is not a case of how to scale the ads. It's a story about how doing Google ads wrong can quietly bankrupt you, and how fixing the fundamentals can quietly resurrect a business that already pulled the plug. Hello viewers, my name is Amy and we have over 17 years of experience at Softtrix, a marketing agency that has contributed to running the successful ad campaigns for over 5,000 plus clients. Well, $70,000 and no sale. Nobody can prepare for such a storm until it hits them. But the real question is still the same. Why did this happen at first? And the answer is simple. The ads were built without the basics. No merchant center, no conversion tracking, no product segmentation, just broad keywords and weak headlines with no site links or the audience targeting. What these ads delivered was random traffic, irrelevant clicks, and a mountain of wasted spend. Obviously, the business owner was devastated. He was frustrated, and as he stopped all the running campaigns, hopelessness started creeping in. But then he found us through our videos, and with a heavy and disappointed voice, he asked us, could this disaster ever be turned around? Could the money that was lost ever be recovered back? We knew it was devastating to incur a loss of such a huge amount, so we have listened carefully. We have eventually audited their Google AdWords account and explained every mistake that they have made in their campaigns. With our simple to understand explanation, we could sense a spark of hope coming back, and that's when we have decided to work on his account. We have started by rebuilding everything from scratch. First thing was the merchant center. The merchant center was created, conversion tracking was fixed, the new ad copies were written with better and clearer headlines, and the descriptions. Campaigns were segmented by product categories and the price ranges. We even went ahead with refining targeted audiences, blocking irrelevant searches, and showing high ticket items only to the upper income households. And lastly, we have retargeted the massive pool of past visitors who had clicked the ad before but they have never converted. And here is the story takes a happy turn. So in the very first month, sales have started coming in. The account that once burned money was now generating real sales. By November, the transformation was shocking in the best way. Costs were reduced, and the account delivered 256 conversions with $197,000 in terms of revenue and a ROAS of 7.18. From zero conversions to nearly $200,000 in terms of sales, it was a complete turnaround. But we didn't stop there. In December, we have tested new remarketing campaigns with fresh creatives and the ads. the results were even more exciting. Sales climbed higher, closing the month at $259,000 with the ROAS of 10.21. From debt and despair to growth and profitability, the journey was nothing short of remarkable. So let me ask you this. Would you ever imagine that a business losing $70,000 in the ads could bounce back to generate over $250,000 in sales within just weeks? This is the power of doing Google AdWords the right way. It is not about spending more, it is about spending smartly. This case study is proof that even the worst advertising disaster can be turned around into a success story. With the right setup, clear targeting, and the smart remarketing, Google AdWords can go from being your biggest cost to your biggest growth engine. Just replace the broad keywords, generic ads, and the unstructured campaigns with the right strategy, clear messaging, and the ongoing optimization. If you think your business is facing similar challenges and you need to stop the leaking budget, make a call to this number and get a partner who understands your brand and build strategies that convert. At Softtrix, we don't just manage clicks, we engineer growth. Whether you are an auto parts dealer or a luxury brand, we can transform your marketing struggle into a next success story. Click the link in the description to book a strategy call with my team. Lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something valuable. One small request. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We have plenty more success stories to share. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next one.